Hi, my name is Dave Nord. I'm here with Dinsmore, and we're here at the first time ever Medtech Mega Mixer, an event that anybody who's innovative in the medical space is going to be here. We're basically here to educate everybody in 3D printing and additive manufacturing.
This networking event tonight is an exciting time. There's a lot of opportunity. I want to press upon people that the medical device industry and life science is going through a huge change right now. And the reason for it is there's a convergence of technology. A lot of people are looking for ways to cut costs in the medical device industry and health science. Some of the things that are really affecting the medical device industry, Dinsmore, which does additive manufacturing, 3D printing, prototyping, and product development.
So, Eric, how long have you been doing this?
So Medical Innovation Exchange has been around for roughly 2 years. We've been putting on events like this and helping to foster innovation in the healthcare community for about that whole time. So making connections, facilitating information, making sure people can overcome those hurdles in healthcare and really get that jump start to their career, to their business. And these events are a perfect opportunity for that.
One of our focuses is getting with students, young entrepreneurs, people that are already in the space, and constantly educating them on additive manufacturing. So we appreciate you having us here because it's been great meeting these people and re-educating them on what they can do in our space as well.
Yeah, it's exciting. And I think when we do the event at Dinsmore, it's going to be huge. So we have an event planned at Dinsmore sometime in the next 4 to 6 months. And we're really looking to add a lot of value to the people that are interested in additive manufacturing, specifically in healthcare. I know that it's a growing field, and I need people in the community to understand that it's got a lot of potential to be, a commercially viable option.